Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Team Stand and Draw here, bringing you guys a video. We've been gone for a while, ever since the case opening. All I've been doing is putting up deck profiles, and a couple things happened. But we're hitting you guys with a new match. This is between Eradicators versus Mega Colony. No break ride, Mega Colony.
Yo, you hurt my feelings. Yo, I went to 15 already. This is stress.
So we got Quentin using Eradicators, Osama using his Mega Colony, and you already know who I am. So let's get the match started. They already got their hands.
I'm sorry, I'm eating a burrito.
We understand. No, we don't.
Yeah, you gonna wake up that night. You're gonna be like, oh,
Shut up.
the bathroom.
Shut up.
That's my best friend.
Give me a dice hat.
Well, that's crazy. Yeah, we high in technology. We don't use a real dice. We got a dice app for that. Come on, people. Where Android phones
I
at?
didn't be jipping people over.
So I absolutely like a factor nowadays.
Yeah. 2014, the current gen.
And I got an app to like set up a tournament when you guys is down. All right.
Give me that.
Let me see.
You got
That's
four.
my shot.
I got a 4, kill him. I got a 2.
I'm
Get
right
out of here,
here.
Snake Eyes. That's terrible.
And a draw.
Trash. Draw. Play. 10.
Oh god.
You got your whole sandwich burrito in the video.
No. Oh.
Man's got his whole burrito in the video. All right.
The rush down is real.
13.
Fast.
Play him.
Damn. The poking.
He's gonna need a 10 to guard that.
10.
You got it. Why didn't you come sooner, you scrub? I hate you. Play. So sorry. Nice.
I'll see that.
Play. Skill. Stop him. 9.
To my rib.
Yeah, you already know it.
Because he does not want you at limit break.
12.
What?
Yas, that's what I needed. Yas.
And a draw.
Damn. That break.
So
That's
the
not
damage
break.
is now armor break.
16.
Pass.
God.
Nice.
Down.
Mm. Draw trigger.
Drop your wrist.
Pass.
Game end.
20.
Sigh.
It's now 4-3. Quinn in the lead.
Play.
I was looking for something. So what?
Play.
You want that other burrito?
Yeah, I do. No shot. Okay.
Oops.
Kill it anyway. He's gonna kill it anyway.
I mean, is he really? Is he gonna kill it? 30.
20.
Why would you do that? Just heal that
Use
damage, bro.
trigger.
That's totally fine.
Draw
Draw.
trigger. What am I looking for?
16.
Get that 1.
Oh.
Yes.
20.
10k Vanguard.
Power.
15.
So I'm
Still
gonna
drop the card.
5 for you. You got it though. Play. Up. Play. 15.
10.
17.
Good.
Can I get the trigger though? You a loser. Skill.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Call in.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh. Oh, that's a shame.
Yes. Yes, it is.
That's very
You know what?
annoying.
I mean, you can always just kill your units.
How much damage you have?
I'm at 4.
Select it.
Oh, you would.
Actually, I ain't even call it. No. You know what?
Mm-hmm.
16.
Pass.
Critical
Damn.
effects.
Sacked. Yeah, you got it.
To the
GG.
soul.
Like that. Sigh.
Alright, so that's the first match.
The first man.
Yes, indeed.
It's over.
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Alright. So, for a little change up, We're gonna do best out of 3 in the same video.
Oh, what? Where?
Yeah.
That's fun.
Alright, so we're gonna see how this goes.
Oh, this is a new change. Yeah, go ahead, put that phone right there.
Yeah, this is unedited. Just making sure you guys know it is indeed unedited. Alright.
Unedited.
I just want to see the rules.
Oh, when Tampa's ball come out, oh my God, you feel this is gonna be gone.
Yeah, I'm not
Oh.
I don't have to. All right, good. Then I'll just give me power.
I mean, you're right.
You have to fill up your rare guards if you want to fight back.
I hate that.
And I'll just kill them all.
Destructive. Oh. So destructive. Wow, this is not what Ant needs in his life. Nope, I am.
Put back 2.
3.
I don't know how y'all feel about the cutting thing, but I mean, I don't know me too, but you know, like a friendly match, so it seemed like a big deal with me.
Fair enough.
Did I just give back the same 2
Okay.
cards?
Okay.
Did I just give back the same 2 cards?
Tight. Alright, since I got sacked, I'll go first. Alright, fair enough. Why not? So charge. Pass.
Damn, draw. Oh, not bad. 12.
Pass. Damn. Maybe I did want that. Just maybe. 22.
Go ahead.
Crit. Whoops.
Mm. 14.
Pass.
10.
Huh.
Yo.
Really good.
12.
5.
33.
Go ahead.
Crit.
Oh no. I looked at that. It's gonna work out just fine. Alright. So, slap that. Yeah, I can't intercept this turn.
Sigh.
10.
Stop.
23.
Pass. I see it.
Power.
Yeah, that's what would have happened if I had a blocked.
Ooh.
Ah,
So I
jeez.
went down one. Go down.
5.
So you want your rear?
Damn. That's crazy.
Making us feel. Go Paladin style.
To my rear.
Yes.
Whoa.
To my rear.
32.
I am not gonna guard that even though I'm gonna die. Go ahead. Your power.
Actually, you good. You safe. 9.
No.
Pass. It's a 10K beast stick. You don't need that.
Alright, so now I'm gonna make you drop those perfect cards right now. It's like that.
Jeez.
I could've.
You could have, but you didn't want to cross break. I understand. This man's really gonna go through all that
Plus
trouble.
5 on the Vanguard.
26.
Oh, 26? Damn, you really
5.
just made me drop this. Kind of needed that.
Go out there.
4.
Really no. Alright.
It is indeed 4 cups.
All they have. Control.
Oh, this one good.
Come on, right? Yep. and a crit. 31 and a crit.
Alright,
Oh, no, I'm lying. 41 and a crit. There you go.
Mm.
Healing.
It's valid. Valid. You go ahead and heal.
All effects.
Alright, that's not touching me. That's definitely not touching me.
Yeah, it looks like it is.
And I put 3 triggers on this one card.
That's not touching me.
Looks like it's touching you.
So that's plus 15. Damn. So what is
26.
26 and 7, 26. 33 and crit.
You good boy.
There we go.
That's
Thanks,
not bad.
Anthony.
It's not touching me.
And last 17 event.
Draw trigger. Oh.
If I draw.
Stand and draw.
Okay,
Oh, wow.
so we're gonna do this one last time. I'm only gonna be able to pull out one card though, but I mean.
Do it
This
now.
ain't gonna do anything.
Yes, it is.
YOLO, screw it.
That wasn't. So that doesn't stay rested, my friend.
Alright, YOLO. We're doing this.
27.
27.
I know this is a bad idea, but I'm like, no guard that. I know I'm gonna die. Go crit me, crit me. Crit power, crit power, crit power, crit power. I
No.
live. Oh my god.
Hate it. 17.
10.
Yo, get out of here. Yo, what?
Wait, how much was that?
I was 14. 5. Yo.
Oh,
Lord.
Should have just went left and right.
5 on the Vanguard.
And he's really about to do it again. 1.
Alright.
That's pretty good.
That's
Oh.
fine.
Mm-hmm. I mean, I'ma still die, but
26 to the Vanguard.
Plus a critical.
And a crit.
you got it. That's such the blow. Get out of here.
Healing.
Yeah, you got it.
Heal
Such a
trigger.
blow.
All right. It ends with 2-zip with Quinn in the win. All right. See you guys in the next match.